I lead myself to the river, to cleanse myself, to strip myself of all evils. I touch the water with my hand. I watch the gentle rippling waves contort my image and change me. I wade into the pureness, my toes, my heels, my ankles immersed in the water. It pushes against my skin, it tingles at my nerves. The sand at the bottom slides through my toes. The coldness of the water numbs me. I stand paralyzed with the feeling, immobilized by the sensation. My tolerance grows, and I continue to wade. My calves, my shins, my knees, they feel like ice. They are changed by the water, changed by the feeling. I need the river. I cannot wait any longer, and I dive. My hair ripples with the water as my hands part the water, and I swim downward, further and further, to cleanse myself as light slowly disappears. And I am flooded with new sensations and new emotions. But as I rise once again to the surface, as I emerge from the river, I emerge from the cleansing, and the air once again contaminates me with the evils of life.